First of all, take it out of the bag. I'll fast forward this one a little. Alright, let's start by unfolding the kite like this. Now gently push the outside rod into the middle rod and secure it with the end cap. And now you repeat the process on the other side of the kite, just like this. Sliding the outer rod into the middle rod and secure it, putting on the end cap. Let's take a closer look how to put on the end caps. Like this. Take it easy. No hurry. Okay, let's repeat the process for the other side of the kite. Sliding on the end cap, like this. Now the leading edge is ready and it's starting to look like a kite. Now we're ready for the down spars. They go on the back of the kite. Insert the down spar into the leading edge connector. Then slide the end cap over the other side of the down spar. Turn the kite over and repeat for the other side. You know, symmetry is a key factor. Both sides. Let's take a closer look. Here's the connector. The down spar goes inside it. And then the end cap goes over the other end of the down spar, like this. Turn the kite over and do exactly the same on the other side of the kite. Now your kite is assembled and soon it's ready to take to the sky. Make sure the down spars are located at the back of your kite, like this.
Turn the kite around and on the front you will have the bridle. Take a quick look at it and make sure nothing is twisted or tangled. Now, that's the kite. It's ready.